Hello class, welcome to our next video lesson related to Chapter 11, Financial Markets. This graph relates to what's called a stock market quotation, specifically our biggest stock market in the United States, the New York Stock Exchange. So if you look from left to right, the first column will show what's called YTD, that means year-to-date percentage change. Our next column will show a 52-week period, a high point and a low point for each stock. Okay, for the purpose of this example, we're going to refer to each stock name as stock A, B, C, D, and E. So these are the actual stocks we're looking at. And then just for your knowledge, when you look at a stock quotation, a real one, you'll have other criteria or information that goes along in this chart. We don't actually need that to learn our content for this example, but I label that as unidentified information not applicable for this graph. Okay, so our task is, in this stock market quotation, which stocks have the largest and smallest gains, importantly, up to this point in the year. So, we're looking at two different values. Let's start with the largest gain. The column that's very important for this task is the year-to-date change, and that relates to the point gains up to this point in the year. So stock A will see, regardless of the high and low points, the overall change within the year was 20%, quite impressive. That's the largest gain, so that goes to stock A. Moving down the chart, we're looking at negative numbers. We have a -5, so that actually wasn't doing too well. But stock D actually had a -12% gain. So that would be our smallest gain in comparison between these 5 stocks. So to reiterate, the answer is smallest gain, stock D with a -12. Largest gain would be stock A with 20, or positive 20%.